A GE dryer that won't start can be caused by several issues, including a faulty timer, an activated control lock, or a faulty thermal fuse. To address these problems, start by replacing the timer. Power off the dryer. Disassemble the control panel. Locate the timer, and carefully remove the attached wires. Examine the timer for damage and use a multimeter to test its continuity. If damaged or non-functional, replace it. If this doesn't resolve the issue, deactivate the control lock by pressing the control lock button for 3 seconds until the icon flashes. Another possible cause is a faulty thermal fuse, which can be inspected by powering off the dryer, locating the fuse at the back panel, removing the wires from the terminals, and testing the fuse with a multimeter. If the fuse is faulty, replace it. Additionally, ensure the vent is clean, as a dirty vent can cause overheating. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a GE dryer that won't start.